right here, like these two like small instructions. Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Markela Tarrance, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you all how to do the individual crochet butterfly locks by the Janet collection, and I'll just be doing a very brief review. But before we jump right into the video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to turn on your post notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop my weekly videos. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alrighty guys, so as I stated, I'll be doing a review on the Tress Premium Hair by Janet collection. So this is what the package looks like. I'm not sure of the exact retail price, so I'll be sure to drop that down in the description box. This is in a 14-inch. So with my hair, I actually connected it. So I'll be showing you all how I did it individually, but before we jump into that, I just wanted to show you all what they look like. So this is the hair, right? It's connected. All I really did was just braid my hair individually and then wrap the crochet around. On the front too, it also shows like the crochet and how you loop it. It shows like very brief steps right here, like these two like small instructions. So this is what it looks like. So as far as the review goes, I feel as though the loop is pretty big. I know you guys can't really like see the loop, but it's like a small loop. Of course, when you braid your hair individually, you just put the braid and the crochet stick through this loop, which makes it super easy anytime you do a crochet. I feel like the hair is very natural. It's glossy, but it also has that natural feel like it's my hair. So as you all see, this is the 14. So all I did was just take one and I attached it to make it super, super long, right? So this is about a 28 inches for me. I'm a little short, but nevertheless. But I do want to go ahead and show you guys what it actually looks like. So let's go ahead and jump into that portion. Let me show you all how to actually install the individual crochet.
Alrighty, so the first thing you want to do is apply a little product onto your hair. This is going to help keeping your braid intact. So you can either individual braid or some people say plait. So I'm just going to take my hair and I'm just going to braid it all the way down until I cannot braid it anymore. You want to make sure too, when you are doing the butterfly locks, you want to make sure that the size of your braid is kind of small, medium, because you want it to be hidden when you wrap the crochet around the braid, unless you want to take additional hair and you want to wrap it on top of the braid and the crochet, right? So as you all see, I'm just about done braiding my hair all the way down. You also want to make sure that you have a crochet stick. I got mine from my local beauty supply store. So what I usually do is once I do that, I make sure that the latch is open and I put it through my hair. Once I do that, I then take the individual crochet, and there's a small loop that I talked about earlier, and I place the crochet on side of the latch, right? So once that is secure, as you all see, I take the small latch and then I close it and I pull the crochet through. Okay, so I went ahead and I slowed this down for you all so that you could see. So you just want to gently pull it through, because this is the butterfly lock and it gives you like that messy, natural, thick lock. You want to make sure that you're super gentle because you do not want to mess up the style of the lock, okay? So now, as you all see, I'm just putting my fingers through the small loop, and I'm just making it a little bigger so that I can take my braid as well as the crochet and pull it through. I like this method because it helps with security, and it also helps with making sure that the crochet doesn't easily slip out or come out, right? So now that I did that, this is what it looks like, right? So my braid and the crochet. So now what I'm going to do is gently unravel just a little bit of the crochet. I'm not going to unravel it all the way down, of course, because that is not the length of my real hair. So if you have longer hair, you want to make sure that you unravel it to the length of your hair. So now what I'm going to do is just wrap the crochet hair around my hair. So depending on which way the lock is twisted, you want to make sure that you wrap your hair in that direction. This will help to prevent unraveling, right? I actually had to do this a few times because I couldn't figure out which way it was twisting. So you want to make sure anytime that you are putting the crochet in your hair, you want to make sure that you twist according to the direction of the lock. And as you all see, the braid is hidden. It's really easy. It really doesn't take a whole lot. I personally like this method versus me taking an additional piece of hair and wrapping it around. It's too much. So as you all see, this is what the 14-inch looks like. I personally like for my locks, my braids, or twists, any hairstyle that is individually done, I always like to have a little length. So now I'm going to take a second individual lock, right? And I'm just going to unravel the lock that is attached to my hair, and I'm going to take my crochet stick again, put it through the loop, and latch it on to one of the pieces and pull it through, right? So once I do this, it's simple from here. You don't need any glue, you don't need anything. All you have to do is just tie the two strands that you separated and just continuously tie it on both sides. So this will help with security. And honestly, that's all she wrote, and this is exactly how I was able to achieve my look and how I was able to achieve the connection. So this is how you turn a 14-inch lock into 28-inch locks.
Alrighty guys, so that is it. It's super quick and it's super easy. If you have not already, make sure you go on Instagram and you follow the Janet Collection, and also follow me on Instagram. And if you have not already, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video, and turn on your post notification bells. That way you can be notified when I drop my weekly videos. So until further ado, see you next time.